Sawadika! Welcome to Simple Thai. My name is Tiki Thai and this is Gontong. Please guys come join me in my journey, food, travel, culture. So today I would like to show you guys Lavender Farm in Sacramento, California, San Francisco. Happy Sunday fun day. I'm here in the Lavender Farm. I would like to show you one of my favorite, the smell lavender, the essential oil that is amazing here. I'm be here in Sacramento in San Francisco มาอีกแล้วมาให้ดูนี่เลยฟาร์มลาเวนเดอร์ของเราสวยงามมาก It's a small logo here in Sacramento guys, as you can see here. I can smell it all over. So it's 1 hour from drive from San Francisco. So I just want to come here and see, take a look how they grow and how they harvest. So this time of year they harvest about, they're blooming about a month, and then a few weeks they get, people come visiting and to see, and they have a bundle also that they're ready to make the oil. So a few years, me and my husband, we always love essential oil, and we make the essential oil. One of the essential oil scent is from lavender, and we just would like to show you guys how we found the small logo here in Bay Area in Sacramento, that we can support them and help them, buy their own oil that they make. They grow their lavender and also they make the lavender oil from their farm. So you can see that really close, that you can see all the bees right here. So the bees, they take the pollen from the lavender, and then after that they bring the pollen home and they make the honey from that. So that's how the bee love the lavender. So just would like to show you guys. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So yeah, one of essential oil that we doing and we making is the scent is lavender. So this the local small business farm, husband and wife, and in Sacramento, they make their own oil. So I just would like to show you guys, and how beautiful it is. And they just cut. The plant is still gonna be the same, as you can see the old one. The plant they grow this like like over years, like many years, and this is the time they harvest. As you can see over there that I pointing over there, right? You can see that they harvest over there. So they hand pick harvest. It's a small company, small family and company. They make their own oil, and that's how we got the lavender. Like this is the one that they make it from the oil. This is the one when they pop like that. You can see they're still blooming, but it's not blooming all the way. You know what I mean? That right there, can you see? So they just the plant leaf is the same thing, but they just cutting. They cut the flower, and that's how they sell it. So this bundle they sell is about very affordable, guys. So that's the reason that I would like to come here and to show you guys how beautiful the lavender farm, and also to tell you guys, the oil essential oil that we do. Me and my husband, the company that we do is we want to support small local lavender farm here in Sacramento. And let's take a look over there. Look at how much they still, even though they start harvest already 2 weeks, but it's still a lot. Okay, so I will show you where they make the oil, but now I just would love to show you all the lavender. สวัสดีค่ะคนไทยนะคะ วันนี้พี่ติ๊กอยู่ที่ซัคราเมโตจากซานฟรานซิสโกประมาณ1 ชั่วโมง อันนี้สวนลาเวนเดอร์ที่คนที่นี่นะคะเป็นบิสเนสของครอบครัวที่เขาทำกันพี่ติ๊กก็เลยอยากจะมาแบ่งปันสิ่งสวยๆงามๆสำหรับวันอาทิตย์วันหยุดให้กับทุกคนดูว่าสวนลาเวนเดอร์ที่เขาปลูกเห็นไหมมันจะมีพวกผึ้งเห็นผึ้งที่ตอมอยู่คือเขามาเอาพอลเลนมาเอาเกสรของมันแล้วผึ้งเนี่ยเขาก็จะเอากลับบ้านแล้วเขาก็จะไปผสมแล้วก็ทำเป็นฮันนี่เป็นน้ำผึ้งขึ้นมาสวยงามมากเลยว้าว and smell amazing โอเค so แล้วเขาก็จะตัดแต่ต้นมันนี้จะอยู่เป็นประมาณ 10-20 ปีเลยนะคะต้นนี้จะอยู่ประมาณ 10-20 ปีพอเขาตัดเสร็จตัดแค่ดอกมันจะบานอยู่ประมาณ1 เดือนค่ะ so yes just would like to show you guys my Sunday fun day in activity here in San Francisco. So if you guys would like to come and visit next time, I take you here. So I would like you guys to have, whatever you guys do on Sunday. So enjoy even a little things. So a little thing make a big things. Enjoy the Lavender Farm. Beautiful. My God, it smells amazing. And I wish you guys have a good Sunday. We will see you for the next video. Thank you so much guys today for joining me. If you like this Lavender Farm, so please click like, share, subscribe with your friend and family. Always remember, simple life, happy life. With love, namaste. สวัสดีค่ะ